Yeah, children, ready. So coming children next, compound interest, part 4 children. So already from the previous we have seen, we were discussing about the compound interest children. Okay, so coming to the compound interest. So part 4 video children, part 4 video. Okay children. So first sum. First sum question is, I'll write three sums together children, then we'll do. Principal is 3000, rate is 5%, time is 2 years. Same. We have to find amount and we have to find out compound interest. Okay. Second question. Principal is 3000. Rate of interest is 18%. Okay. Time is 2 years. Same question, children. We have to find out amount, compound interest. Okay. Third sum. Principal is 5000. Okay. Rate of interest is 10 paisa per rupee. 10 paisa per rupee means how much children?
10%. 10%, sir.
10%. 10%. 10 paisa per rupee. 10 paisa per 100 paisa. Rupee means 100 paisa, no children. 10 paisa per 100 paisa means 10% growth. Children, 10 paisa for 100 paisa. Okay. So rate of interest is how much children? 10%.
10%.
10%. Okay, rate of interest is 10%. And time is 2 years. Okay, children.
Okay.
Next, fourth question. Fourth question, children. One more question. So, principal is 2000. Children, please see here on principal is 2000 and rate of interest is same 4 paisa per rupee. 4 paisa per rupee means how much children rate of interest? 4.
4%. 4%.
4%. Everything we will discuss in per annum only, children. Everything we will discuss per annum. If there's a quarterly or a half year, we have to change. Okay. Next question. Principal is 12,800. Principal is 12,800. So principal is 12,800. Okay, children. So rate of interest is 7.5%, and time is 3 years. Okay, same everywhere, same questions. Children. Everywhere, same questions. So direct questions. Okay. So Sujit will tell. All these are direct questions. No? So who will tell? Sujit will tell. Yeah, children. Sujit, can you tell all substitutions?
Yes, sir.
Amount is equal to?
Amount is equal to 3000 into 1 plus 5 by 100 to the whole power of 2.
Okay. Here amount is equal to?
Amount is equal to 3000 into 1 plus 18 by 100 to whole square.
Okay. Someone keep doing calculation and tell me the answers finally. Someone who use calculator.
Sir,
Right.
the answer is
Wait. No. When I complete, please. Yeah, Sujit.
5000
Uh,
5000 into 1 plus 10 by 100 into 2
okay. To the power of
to
2.
the power of 2.
Next.
2000 2000 into 1 plus 4 by 100 to the whole power of 3.
Next.
To 12,800 into 1 plus
Hmm.
uh,
15 by 2.
15 by
100.
2 to the
This
whole
is
power of 3.
this is 15 by 2. 15 by 200 all to the power of 3. Okay.
Power of 3.
Simplify this to some extent. 3000 into 100 plus 5.
105.
Tell Nana. Sujit will tell Nana. Wait, all of you. 100 plus 5, 105. Yeah, Sujit, at least tell here. 100.
19
Hey, 100 plus 18.
100 plus 18 118 by 100.
Okay, here at least tell here. 100 plus 10.
100 plus 10 110 by 100.
Okay, whole square.
whole square.
Here you say 2000 into.
2000 into 1 plus 104 by 100. But,
Okay, can you say here?
yes, sir.
Hmm.
12,800 into 1 plus
100 plus 15. 200 plus 15.
200 plus 50.
You are not saying properly, man. Okay, can anyone say what is this final answer?
3,375. 7.5.
3000
307.5.
307.5. And here
Sir, 4,000.
4177.2.
177.2.
Rupees. Very good. Here
6,050.
6050.
That's it.
Okay, this one
2,249.8.
2249.8. Here
15,901.
15,901. Hansika, are you ready now? Hansika, in all the cases, tell me compound interest. How to find out? Compound interest formula. Amount minus
Principal.
Hansika.
Yes, sir.
Amount minus.
Principal.
Tell Nana. Hansika, you are not saying.
Amount minus principal.
You are not Hansika, no?
Sir, I'm just saying.
Hansika, tell here what you have to substitute.
Amount is equals to 3307.5 minus 3000.
Here
4,177.2 minus 3000.
here
1,050 minus 5,000.
okay, here
2,249.8 minus 2,000.
here
15,901 minus 12,800.
okay, Vedant, tell me the answers here. This is 307.5 rupees. Okay, now thank you. This is 1177.2 rupees, children, and this is 1050. This is 249.8. This is
3,101.4.
100.4. That's it, children. I hope you understood. These are direct sums. Only if they say 10 paisa per rupee, take 10%. Why means 10 paisa per rupee means 10 paisa per 100 paisa. So it is 10%. 10 paisa per 100 paisa. 10%. Don't get confused. Okay. So we have done 5 sums, children. So we have to complete maximum sums today, children, because yesterday we missed the class. Okay. Thank you, children. Sujit, thank you so much. You told very nicely. You try to do LCM properly, Amma. Next, I'll be putting the questions some more, children. Just see here. All of you see, I will be asking again. Principal is 1000. Principal is 1000 rupees. Okay. And rate of interest is 20% per annum only. They will give per annum only, children. Time is 2 years. Compounded half yearly, children. This is half yearly. Okay. Next. 7th sum. Principal is 16,000. Principal is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rate of interest is 10 paisa per rupee means 10%. 10 paisa per rupee, 10% per annum. Okay, they will give per annum, and time is 2 years. Here also compounded half yearly. Here also compounded half yearly. Next, 8th sum. Principal is 2,400. One of you have to keep calculator ready, children. Okay, 3 years. When the interest is rate of interest is 20%, they will give per annum only, children. But the condition they will give you compounded annually. Compounded annually, normal services. 9th sum. Principal is 16,000. The rate of interest is 12.5%. Okay, per annum. Time is 3 years, children. Time is 3 years. Compounded annually only, children. Normal sum only. Nothing is there. Okay. Next one, children. Principal is 1,000 rupees. Principal is 1,000 rupees. Okay. Please check, children. Time is 2 years. Rate of interest is 10% per annum. Normal sum of the children. Okay. So first sum children, who will tell first sum means Vedant will tell first sum. First sum
Yes, sir.
Vedant.
So principal is 1000.
Principal is
Half
1000.
yearly you have to divide the rate by 2, sir.
20 by 2 because in 1 year 2 half years are
2 half years are there.
so 10%. And in 2
And
years,
we
how
have
many
to
half
divide it
years?
into two half years, sir. So 2
Eh,
into 2, 4.
4. In 2 years, 4 half years are there. In 2 years, 4 half years will be there because 1 year, 2 half years, 2 years, 4 half years.
2
Very
half
good.
years.
Yeah, tell amount.
So, sir, amount is equal to P into
1000 into
1,
direct
so
1 plus
1000 into 1 plus 10 by 100 whole to
Whole
the
to-
power 4.
okay,
Which is 1000 into 110 by 100 whole to the power 4.
okay,
Which is
Okay.
1000 into 110 into 110 into 110 into 110.
okay. So can anyone tell me? Okay, one of you do the calculation and get ready. I'll come back to you this one. Okay, one of you. Vedant, you only do calculation and get ready. I'll ask another student. Pravarika, can you help me Nana how to do half yearly here also?
10 by 2 is equal to 5.
Why 10 by 2? Because in 1 year 2 half
In
years.
1 year, it have to.
In 2 years, how many half years are there?
4.
4. Now tell me substitution. Tell me substitution, Nana.
1 plus 5 by 100 to the power 4.
Okay.
1000. 1 plus 105 by 100 whole to the power 4.
Okay. Next. Nandika, can you tell me this how to do? Normal sum.
Sir,
Nandika.
2400 into 1 plus 3 by 20.
20 by 100, Nana. How to the power of
Sorry, sir.
3?
Whole to the power of 3.
Keep saying.
2400 120 plus 120 by 100 whole cube.
Yeah, enough. Over. Next. Next. Harsha. Tell this both. Harsha. 1 plus. Okay, next. Sujit, tell me these both substitutions. 12.5% is how much?
So 25 by 2.
20,
Yeah, tell me. Sujit, 25 by
25 by 2 by
100. 25 by 200. Whole to the power of 3.
to the power of 3.
60,000 into
60,000 into 225 by 200 by whole power of 3.
this also you tell of
A is equal to 1000 into 1 plus 10 by to the whole power of 2 is equal
Okay.
to 10,000
okay
whole power
into
of
2 into 2. Okay. Now yeah. So yeah. Now Vedant, can you tell me all the answers?
First one 1464 1464.1.
0.1. Yeah.
So next one
Second one is 1944810.
Okay. Third one. Third one.
third one 4147.2.
Okay. Here.
Doing, sir.
Someone do this also now. Yeah, children, everyone should do children. Why Vedant is there, these people won't do. Everyone should do. Tomorrow we will write exam.
That one is 22,781.
Okay.
Sir, the last one is 1210.
12, 10. Yeah, children. Okay. Now, who is the Ashrit, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Tell me compound interest in all the cases. How to find out? Tell Nana. Why is it up to me? Yeah. Yeah. Nana, this is not working. Nana. You are.
4.1 minus 1000.
Okay. This one. This. Okay. This one 22781 minus 16,186. Okay. Children, this one amount is equal to sorry, compound interest is equal to 1210 minus 1000.
So
children,
210, sir.
210 rupees. Thank you, children. So we have okay. I hope you are able to understand, children. When half yearly is coming, 20% means 20 by 2, 10% you are taking, and in 2 years, 4 half years will be there. In 3 years, how many half years will be there? 6. In 4 years, 8 half years, like that. In 1 year, 2 half years are there. I hope you are able to understand. 5 more sums will do, children. For this video, we will continue with the next video. Yeah, children. Children, you should be in a position to do tomorrow, children, whatever sum I give. 11th sum. Okay, children, 11th sum. First, I'll write the questions. First, find the difference between compound interest and simple interest on 30,000 children. On 30,000. At the rate of interest 10% per annum. Okay, 10% per annum for 2 years. He's asking what is the difference between compound interest and simple interest. Means we should find out both compound interest and simple interest, children. Okay, and then we have to do. Who will tell the sums? Raghuram, tell me how to do compound interest and simple interest, and we have to
Yes, sir.
subtract. Yeah, tell.
Yes, sir. Simple interest amount is equals to 30,000 into 1 plus 10 by 100 whole square. 30,000 into 110 by 100 whole square is equals to 30,000 into 110 in 121 divided by 100. So 2 zeros cancel.
The compound interest is 36,300.
121.
Okay, tell. Compound interest is how much? Compound interest?
Yes, sir.
36,300.
36,300 minus 30,000.
That is
30,000. 6,300, sir.
Now tell me
Compound.
how to find out simple interest. Simple interest.
The simple interest is equals to 30,000 into 10 into 2 by 100, sir.
Okay.
Sir, 0 cancel in what? 6,000, sir.
No difference. He's asking what is the difference between compound interest and simple interest.
6,300.
Sir, 6,300 minus 6,000 is equals to 300, sir. Difference.
300 rupees. So which is profitable, children? Compound interest or simple interest?
Compound interest is profitable as a banker.
Compound interest is the profitable for anyone, children, not only for banker. Compound interest is profitable, 6,300. Simple interest is 6,000. So if you see the difference, 300 rupees we are getting, children. So whichever is up to you, children. Okay. So
Sir, how is it profitable for us, sir?
No. Yeah, you can also, if you are lending a money.
I mean, like the person who is giving the loan only will have profit, no, sir.
Yes, ma'am. That's what the person who is giving money only. I'm saying he can take in compound interest or simple interest. His wish. What I will do, which yesterday you are not there in the last class. I was calling you. I will take money from you, simple interest. Okay.
Sir.
I will take money from you, simple interest, and I will give to someone for compound interest.
Oh, yeah.
I will get profit. My money is not there. I am taking your money and give to someone. For you, I am paying simple interest. For others, I am paying compound interest. My wish.
Yes, sir.
You are not there in the last class. I was calling you. Where you will go also, you don't know. Suddenly you will come, suddenly you will go. Yeah, so next. Okay. Okay, children, next one. So, children, one person borrowed how much money? Means 16,000 rupees. 16,000 rupees he borrowed at the rate of interest 17.5% per annum, children. Anyway, on this, on the same day, he lent it to another person. He took this for simple interest and he gave to someone for compound interest. Okay, how much gain he will get? Same sum again. He took from someone simple interest and he gave it to other person at compound interest. Okay, same sum, children. So who will tell this one again? Harsha is not there. Harsha,
Sir, in there, sir.
Harsha, you are there. Tell me first compound interest.
Sir, Asha is there.
Tell. Harsha, tell.
Sir, 17 into 2 plus 1 by 2, sir.
16,000 into
16,000 into. Sir, 35 by 2, sir. Sir, 35 by 200, sir.
35 by 200 whole to the power of 2.
2, sir.
Keep saying.
The 16,000 into
Uh,
235 by 200 whole
okay.
square.
Okay.
16,000 into 235 into 235 by 200 into 200, sir.
Okay. Keep saying.
3 zeros, 3 zeros cancel.
3 zeros gone. And 2 8
2 ones
Sir,
are 2 8s are 2 ones are 2 4s are, sir.
2
Sir,
4
the answer is 44,180.
44,180, sir.
The
Sir,
compound interest is
compound
amount.
interest is equal to 1 minus principal, sir. Amount is equal to 44,000 minus 1 by 180 minus 16,000, sir.
No, that much data won't come. Nana, you did correctly, Amma. I don't know.
22,090,
Sir,
sir.
How much?
22,090. It is half the amount she said.
Yeah, 20, because 22,019, yeah, he's
I
becoming
think so.
more
One
than
multiplication times 2 came extra.
22,019, that much who will pay, Nana? Yeah. So 22,090 minus 16,000 is how much?
Sir,
6,090.
6,090, sir.
This is compound interest. Tell me simple interest now.
Sir, PTR by 100. 16,000 into 35 into 2 by 200, sir.
PTR 16,000 into
16,000 into 35 into 2 by 100, sir.
35 by 2 into
200, sir.
100 and rate of 2 gone. So 2 zeros, 2 0 gone. 16 5 80, 16 0 45, 56, 5,000. 5,600 is simple interest.
6,090 minus
Difference.
5,600.
Compound interest minus simple interest. How much, Amma?
Sir, 6,090 minus 5,600, sir.
How much is that? 490 rupees is the difference. He will gain 490 rupees is the gain. He took the money from someone and he gave to someone else. With this transaction, without having his own money, he got 490 rupees as a gain. Children. Okay, Akshay, beauty already. Next one. Children. Next one, children. So find the amount on rupees 4,096. Principal is 4,096 rupees and time is 18 months. Rate of interest is 12.5% rate of interest compounded semi-annually. Semi-annually means half yearly, children. Semi-annually means half yearly, children. Okay, so according to hierarchy, who will say means now? Ashrit will tell. Ashrit. Ashrit, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Tell half yearly means in 18 months, how many half years are there? I think his mic is not working properly. Yeah, no problem, Ashit. Your mic is not working properly because you are telling, but we are not able to listen.
There are 3 half years away.
Anu, you tell Nana.
Half.
Anu, in 18 months, how many half years are there?
3.
This is 25 by 2.
25 by 2.
By?
It's a 2 in.
By 2. By 2. 25 by 2 by 2. By means per annum, because half year means by 2. In 1 year, 2 by 2 we should do. So this will become 25 by 4%.
4.
Tell me, how to the amount?
Sir, amount is equal to 4,096 into 1 plus 25 by 400
Or whole to the power of 3.
whole to the power of 3.
Keep saying 400 plus 25.
425 by 400 whole to the power 3.
Okay. Keep
So
saying.
425 into 425 into 425 by 400 into 400 into 400.
Can anyone say what is the amount shown here? Now, how to find compound interest? Amount minus principal. Yeah. Vedant, you got it?
Yes, sir. It is 4,930.
4,000?
913.
913. 4,913. Okay. So, Anu, amount minus principal.
Yes, sir. 4,913 minus 4,096.
Okay, how much? 817 rupees is the compound interest. 817 rupees is the compound interest. And this is the reason. Next subject. Find the amount and compound interest on 8,000. 8,000 rupees. Find the amount and compound interest on 8,000 rupees for 1.5 years. For 1.5 years, okay, at 10% per annum. At 10% per annum, compounded same children half year. Yeah, next, according to the question, Rishikesh, you have to say Rishikesh.
Yes, sir.
In 1.5 years, how many half years?
Sir, 3.5 years, sir.
Okay, and the rate of interest?
10 by 2, which is 5.
Okay, tell me amount, how to find out?
Amount is equals to 8,000 into 1 plus 10, 5 by 100 whole to the power 3.
Okay.
8,000 into 105 by 100 whole cube. 8,000 into.
Okay, can anyone say what is the answer?
Sir, 9261.
9 to
61.
61.
6. No, tell compound interest. Rishikesh.
Compound interest is equals to 9,621 minus 8,000 is equals to 1,261 rupees.
That's it, children. Very good, very good, very good. So next, Meghana should be get ready. Meghana, get ready. I hope children, everyone are enjoying the sums. They are very, very interesting sums and very easy also. Only thing is how to do how we should approach to the sums children. So 15 sum children. So Nana Kamal borrowed rupees 57,600. 57,600 from LIC against her policy at the rate of 12.5%. 12.5%. Okay, and for an amount she has to pay after the rate of interest is calculated half yearly. Time is after 1.5 year, and it is compounded half yearly. Yes, Amma, Meghana.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
25 by 2%.
No, this is 25 by 2 normally. What we have to do half yearly means by 2 we should do again.
Into 25 by 4%.
25 by 4. In 1.5 years, how many half years will be?
3 half years.
3 half years. Now can you tell the amount? How to calculate?
Is equal to
Okay.
57,600 into 1 plus 25 by 400
Mm.
to the power of 3.
Very good.
Amount is equal to 57,600 into 425 by 400 whole to the power of 3.
Can anyone tell me how much is this? Yes. Can anyone say how much is this?
69,089.
69,000?
69,089, sir.
69,089 rupees. Okay, sure. No, Meghana. Thank you, Veda. Keep helping me like that. Thank you so much. Meghana.
69,089 minus 57,600.
Okay.
114489.
11,489 rupees is the compound interest. Thank you so much. Now, next one, according to hierarchy, who will delve in, sir? After Meghana. Hansika. Hansika, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Get ready, Amma. Abba purchased a house from Bus Green. Cost of the house is 64,000 rupees. Cost of the house is 64,000 rupees. And the rate of interest is 5% per annum. 5% per annum compounded annually. This is per annum, but they are saying we want half yearly. For time is equal to time is same 1.5 year. 1.5 year. Yes, Nana. So tell me, Amma, rate of interest how to do?
5 by
2. That's all. Why means half yearly they said. So in 1 year, 2. And in 1.5 years, how many half years will be there, Amma?
3.
3 half years. Now tell me, calculation, amount is equal to?
Amount is equals to 64,000 into 1 plus 5 by 200 to the power of 3. 64,000 into 205 by 200 to the power of 3.
Okay, how to find out compound interest? Amount minus?
Amount minus principal. Amount is equals to
Amount how much, Vedant?
Sir, 68,921.
68,000?
921.
921.
Thank you. Yeah. Hansika, tell.
68,921 minus 64,000.
Okay.
4,920.
4,900. Thank you. Okay. So next section. Next. Okay. 17 sum. All of it is 17 sum. So 17 sum. 1% took a rupees of 10,000 principal. 10,000. Okay, 10,000 principal they took. And for 2 years. For 2 years they took. At the rate of interest 20% per annum. 20% per annum. 20% per annum. Okay, compounded annually. How much has to pay if the interest is compounded half yearly? This is half yearly. Vedant.
Yes, sir. So 10,000. 20 by 2, sir, is equal to 10. So 110 by 100. Time is equal to 4 because there are 2 half years in 4 half years in 2 years.
4 half years in 2 years. Now tell me amount.
So, sir, amount is equal to 10,000.
Okay.
In brackets 1 plus 10 by 100 whole to the power 4.
Okay.
Just 10,000 into 110 by 100 whole to the power 4.
Okay.
10,000 into 110 into 110 into 110.
11 into 11 into 11 into 11 by 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 121 into 121 amount is 121 into 121. 121 into 121. Can anyone say 121 into 121 how much?
14,641.
How much now? 14,000?
641.
40,641 minus 10,000. So 4,641 rupees is the compound interest he has to pay. Okay, I hope you are enjoying these sums. Okay, children, next sum. 87. Okay, children, so 10,000 is over. Next, Ramesh borrowed a sum of 2,45,760. 2,45,760 rupees he borrowed. He borrowed at the rate of 12.5% per annum. At the rate of 12.5% per annum. Okay. So compounded annually. On the same day, he lent this amount to Ramu at the same rate of interest, compounded semi-annually. Wow. Okay. So semi-annually, fine after 2 years. Nana, Pravalika, next. Pravalika, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So, do you understand the question?
No, sir.
Yes or no?
No.
Yes or no?
No, sir.
No. So, Nana, first I have taken money from you. Normally per annum. Same money I gave to Vedant. But I told I will do half yearly, I said. From you, I took this much money per annum. Normally I do. But I gave to Vedant compounded half yearly. Same thing. Same rate of interest, same time, but compounded half yearly. How much gain will I get doing like that? So, one time you should do normally, one time you should do half yearly. Can you tell normally? First, normally you tell Nana? Pravalika.
A is equal to 245, 760. 1 plus.
This is 25 by 2. This is 25 by 2. 12.5 means 25 by 2.
25 by 200 whole to the power of 2. 245, 760. 1 plus 225 by 200 whole to the power of 2.
Okay. This we will do. Now, tell me, this is annually. Now tell me half yearly. Half yearly means same. 24,5760. 1 plus, how much we should do divide with? 2.
25 by 4.
25 by 400. In 2 years, how many half years will be there? 4. whole to
Whole
the
to-
power of 4. So 24,5760, 425 by 400
400
whole
whole
to
to
the
the
power
power.
of 4. Anyone can help me tell me this answers?
Sir, 3,13,203.
1 second. 3,13,203.
3.75.
Here 0.75. Okay. Here.
3 lakhs
3 lakhs
11,000.
11,000.
Oh, sorry, sir. What I said in annually should be in half yearly, sir.
This is annually. This is half yearly. Yeah. This is
This is half yearly, sir.
3,13,203.75 half yearly. Annually how much?
3,11,040.
3,11,040. Okay. Pravalika, now tell me compound interest here and here. This minus this, how much? Anyone? This minus this, how much? This minus this. Compound interest minus amount minus principal. 3,11,040 minus 2,45,760. How much? Anyone? No calculators, right? I told you to keep calculators ready. No. Nandika is not there.
Sir,
Sir, 65,280.
Any one of you there. Nandika, you there?
65,000.
65,000.
280.
280. Here how much?
67,443.75.
443. Okay. Pravalika, now which is gain? Half yearly or annually? Pravalika, which is more gain? Half yearly or annually?
Half yearly.
So half yearly is more gain than annually. So I took from you annually. I gave to Vedant half yearly. How much gain I got? How much gain I got? Gain.
Sir, can I tell?
Half yearly minus.
This minus this. Half yearly minus annually. So how much it will be? Anyone?
2,163.
2,163. Understood, Ananda? Pravalika now some?
Yes, sir.
I took from you annually. I gave to Vedant half yearly. Same amount, same rate of interest, same. But with you, I did annually. With him, I told half yearly. So I got gain of 2,107.63 on this transaction. Not my money. It's your money. I gave to Vedant. Like this. Okay, children, you should understand. Very, very beautiful concepts, children. Banking concepts, all this. Okay, children. Next one. Mute your audios now. Next one. Thank you for helping. Please, calculators. Nandika and Vedant and Ashrit. So many are telling. Very nice. Thank you so much for helping me. Next up. 19th. Sure. Find the amount that David would receive if he invest 8192 rupees for 9 months. For 9 months. At the rate of 10% per annum. 10% per annum compounded. 1 second, children. No, 18 months, children, not 9 months, 18 months. 18 months at the rate of 12.5%. I'm sorry, 12.5%. 12.5% half year. This is half year. Nandika, half year.
Yes, sir. Sir, the 18 by 2.
In 18 months, how many half years?
Sir, 4.
Sir,
3 half years.
3.
Rate of interest is 25 by 2. 12.5 is 25 by 2 by
2.
2 because
Into 2.
that is 25 by 4% because in 1 year 2 half years will be there. Tell me how to find out amount. What happened, Nandika?
Yes, sir. 1 plus 2, 25 by 400.
Okay.
Whole cube. 8192 into 425 by 400 whole cube.
Yeah, how much Vedant? Someone calculations? Can anyone say amount?
Sir, 9,826.
9,826.
So compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. So 9826 minus 8192. How much amount?
1,634.
4 rupees. Okay, thank you. Very good. Next. So next, who will tell next? Who will say next normally? Okay. Harsha. Harsha, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, get ready. So question is, find the compound interest on 15,625. 15,625 rupees. 15,625 rupees for 9 months. For 9 months, and the rate of interest 16% per annum. 16% per annum. Okay, compounded quarterly. Quarterly.
Sir, in 9 months there are 2 quarters, sir.
3 quarters are there. In 9 months, 3 quarters. In 1 year, 4 quarters. 3, 3, 3. 9 months, 3 quarters. And 16 by?
16 by 4, sir.
16 by 4. Because in 1 year, 4 quarters.
4 quarters, sir.
4.
4.
4%. Okay, now tell me how to find out.
Sir, 15,625 into
1
1
plus?
by 1 plus 16 by 400
4 by 100.
whole cube, sir.
4 by 100 whole to the
4 by 100 whole
15625
into 104 by 100 whole cube, sir.
Yeah, can anyone tell me what is the answer amount, children?
So 17,576.
17,576.
76.
Children, if you do calculations before only, you will also understand tomorrow how to do. Yeah, compound interest amount minus principal.
Amount minus principal, sir. 175,000. Sorry, 17,576 minus 15,625.
1951.
51.
1.
51. Okay, children, this is 1951 rupees, children. Okay. 1 second, children. Next one, children. Yeah, according to hierarchy, who will come next? Harsha. Sujit. Sujit, are you ready, Amma? Rekha deposited 16,000 in foreign bank. 16,000 in foreign bank. And at the rate of 20% per annum. 20% per annum. 20% per annum. Okay. Compounded quarterly after 1 year. Time is 1 year. Compounded quarterly. Okay, this is one question. Next question. Okay, all of you keep doing the sums. I'll be asking one by one. Keep doing the sums, children. Don't talk. Just keep doing the sum. Next, 12,500. 12,500 is the principal. 12,500 is the principal. Time is 2 years. Time is 2 years. Compounded annually. Compounded annually. Being 15% rate of interest. 15% per annum rate of interest. For first year, and 16% rate of interest for second year. Okay. Next to the third sum, please. The third sum. Okay. So Rao borrowed 15,625. 15,625 rupees. 15,625. Financing to buy a scooter. The rate of interest is 10%. Rate of interest is 16% per annum, which we will have to make after 2 1/4 years. After 2 1/4 years. Next, 24,000. Principal is 1,25,000. Principal is 1,25,000. Rate of interest is 1,25,000. Rate of interest is 6% per annum. Okay, and rate of interest is 6. The interest is calculated after every 4 months. So time is 1 year. This is quarter. Every 4 months. Every 4 months. Every 4 months means how much, children? 3, 4, 3. Every 4 months. Every 4 months, children, not quarterly. This is every 4 months. Not quarterly means 3 months, but this is every 4 months. How do I tell, children? So these are the sums. Okay. So first sum is first sum. Who will tell? Sujit has to say. Sujit, can you tell first sum?
Yes, sir.
So quarterly means 20 by
20 by
4.
4.
So 5%. In 1 year, how many quarters will be there?
In 1 year,
How many quarters?
Sir,
4. 4
4.
quarters. Because every 3 months is 1 quarter. Okay. Now tell me the calculation. Amount is equal to?
Amount is equal to 16,000 into 1 plus 5 by 100 to the whole power of 4.
4 over. Next program. Can you tell me this how to do?
Yes, sir. Sir, amount is equals to 12,500 into 1 plus 15 by 100 into 1 plus 16 by 100.
Very good, fantastic, Nana. That I told you. For the first year, you should do like this. For the second year, you should do like this. We will do. And those who are using calculators, keep doing these calculations. I will be coming to the answers again. Okay. Okay. Next one, program over. Next after program. Ashrit, your mic is working, Nana. I think his mic
Yes,
is.
sir.
Can you please tell Nana this?
15,625 into
1 plus.
1 plus 16 by 100.
No, 16 by
100.
400. 16 by 400 whole to the power of 2. Why means, listen slowly, I will say. Listen slowly, I will say. One second. I told 1 second. First, we have to calculate for 2 years. 1 plus 16 by 100 whole to the power of 2. Then for 1/4 of year, how you will calculate, Ashray? 1 plus 16 by 4 into 100. Those who did not understand, again I'm saying for 2 years, this for 1/4 of a year, 1 plus 16 by 4 you should do. That is 4%. So 16 by 4. Okay, children. If it is 1/3, 16 by 3. If it is 1/5, 16 by 5. This is for 1/4 of a year. This is for 1/4 of a year. Okay. According to hierarchy, next Rishikesh.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me how to do this?
Sir, every 4 months means there are 3 parts in a year, sir.
There are 3 parts in a year, so 6 by
3.
Fantastic. And in 1 year, how many?
1 year.
How many 4 months are there?
3 months. 3
3,
parts.
4.
3.
Very good. Fantastic. 1,35,000 into
1 plus 6 by.
That 2
sorry.
by
2 by 100 whole to the power 3.
Okay.
1,25,000. 1,25,000. Sir, it's sir, one more zero we need to keep, sir.
Yeah. Yes. Okay. Enough, man. Thank you. Anyone did these calculations? Amount for this, anyone?
Yes, sir.
1,94,481.
Anyone
One
want
lakh-
to say? 1 lakh?
1,94,000.
Sir, 1 lakh can't be, sir. The principal is 16,000.
Yeah, 16,000. You tell me numbers. Tell me numbers. How much you got?
1944 8.1.
8.1. This is amount. Very good, Nana. Very good understanding, because she's saying 16,000 principal. How amount will be 1 lakh. Very good understanding, Nana. Now 12,000. This can anyone? This one?
Sir, 16,675.
How much?
16,000.
Anyone. Nandika, you tell. Anyone.
16,675.
675. Yeah. Anyone did this?
Yes, sir.
1,524.
21,000. 866.
866. Anyone did this? Anyone did this, children?
Sir, 132,651.
1,326.
51.
Yeah, 1,32,000, because 1,25,000, 1,32,000. Okay, yeah. So, children, in all the cases, how to find compound interest, you know, I need not do again, because you will subtract the principal. 16,000 you subtract here, and here you subtract 12,500 children, and here you subtract 15,625 children, and here you subtract 1,35,000 children. You will be getting all compound interest, children. Different types of sums at a time, I told children. Okay, next sums. Last 3 sums are there. If I complete that, so children, because yesterday we have not taken class, I am compensating that with so many sums. I hope you are not getting bored. Everyone should keep doing calculations so that it will be helpful for tomorrow test also, children. Everyone should do. Everyone, whether you're telling or not, you try to do at least. 25th sum children, 1 second. So in 25th sum children, they are saying that this children, what will be every 4 months is over. Children, next one is 1 second. Children, they are saying that find the compound interest at the rate of 5% for 3 years on the principal, which in 3 years at the rate of 5%, 12,500 as simple interest. Okay, children, what it's saying is saying that find the compound interest. Find the compound interest. Okay, at the rate of 5% per annum. At the rate of 5% per annum for 3 years. For 3 years. On the principal, which in 3 years are the same, gives a simple interest of 12,000. Yeah, according to the hierarchy, who will tell next one is Meghana. Meghana, do you understand the sum?
Yes, sir. I have to find principal using simple interest.
Okay, fantastic. Tell Nana.
Simple interest is equal to PTR by 100.
Very good.
12,000 is equal to P into 3 into 5 by 100.
Okay.
Is equal to 3 P into 15.
Okay.
P is equal to by 2 into 5.
80,000.
Yes.
Yeah,
80,000.
No, amount.
Principal is equal to amount is equal to 80,000 into 1 plus 5 by 100 whole to the power of 3.
Okay.
80,000 is equal to 105 by 100
Okay.
whole to the power of 3.
Okay.
Amount is equal to
Can anyone help children? Can anyone help me?
Yes, sir. 92,610.
92,610. Nana, yeah. Component is how to find out, Amma?
92,610 minus 80,000.
80,000. How much, Amma?
12,610.
7,610 rupees. I hope you understood. Very good. Super good. Next, according to hierarchy, next one, Hansika. Hansika, are you ready, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, get ready, Amma. Your sum is like this. Your sum is like this. So what they are saying is, find the compound interest at the rate of 5. A sum of money was lent for 2 years. Some amount is lent for 2 years at 20% rate of interest per annum, compounded annually. If the interest is payable half yearly instead of yearly, then the interest is 482 more. If it is annually and it is half yearly, he is saying if it is compounded half yearly, he has to pay more than annually at 482 more. 482 more. Okay, this is the question. Nana, you understood or not?
No, sir, I did not understand the question.
Okay, so 1 second. Vedant, you understood the sum?
Sorry, I understood.
Yeah, who understood the sum?
Harsha.
Harsha, tell. What you understood?
Sir, మొత్తం ఫార్ములా రాసి
No,
sir,
just tell me the sum. Tell me the sum. What you understood? If you lend it half yearly.
Sir, then sir, if it is half yearly, then the annual year will be. Sir, the half yearly is 482 more than the annual years.
Annual. So first you have to put the equation for half yearly, then annually, and do the sum. Okay. So tell me, Nana. Amount minus principal.
Amount minus principal.
Here also amount minus principal plus 482.
482.
Okay. Tell me, amount is how much? Principal into.
Principal into 1 plus 20 by 100.
20 by 100.
Whole power 2, sir.
Whole power, no. Whole power, half yearly means in 2 years, how many?
4, sir.
4.
Sir, annually 2. Oh,
No,
half yearly.
Minus, here you tell principal into.
Sir, principal into 1 plus 20 by 100.
Wait. In half yearly, we should not take 20. We should take
20.
10.
We should take 10, sir. I was going to say that, sir.
20 by 2, we should take 10, Nana, here. Okay, now here, Harsha.
Sir, 1 plus 20 by 100. whole square, sir.
whole square minus this
Minus
P
420 plus
4.
minus P plus 480.
Okay, now I will tell the calculation. Video here. Children, now minus P cancel, children, because if you bring this plus P minus P cancel. Now children, all of you see principal into 110 by 100 whole to the power of 4 here, principal into 120 by 100 whole to the power of 2 plus 482. Someone should help me in this, children. If not, it will become
1.4641 p, sir.
11 to the power of 4 by 10 to the power of 4 is how much?
1.4641.
1
1.4641.
4641 P. Is
Because it
equal
is
to,
into P.
and this is
Doing
12,144.
0.114.
1.44 P.
1.44 P plus
482. Yeah, enough now. Video audios. This will come here. So 1.4641 P minus 1.44 P is equal to 482, children. So 1.4641 minus 1.44 is
0.0241.
0241 in a P. P is there, children. 482. This will come down, children. When this it comes down, principal is equal to 482 by 0.0241. So principal is equal to 482. After 0.4 zeros are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 by 241. 241 twos are. So principal is 20,000. Is the principal. I hope those who did not understand, children, more than children, when we compound half yearly and annually, okay, when we compound half yearly and annually, more than annually, 482 rupees you will get if you compound half yearly. That should be the question. Okay, I hope everyone understood the sum and those who helped me, thank you so much for telling. And last two sums are there, children, only two sums. Then we will stop because I think you have got full dose today. But if you keep doing calculations, children, you will really enjoy it, children. If you do with the whole heart. Okay, so next one is, children, 20%. Simple interest on sum of money for 2 years at 6.5% is 5,200. Okay, so simple interest for 2 years at 6.5% is 5,200. 5,200. What will be the compound interest on the sum at the same period? So children, first here you find principal. That principal, yeah, tell.
First you have to find principal and then you have to put it in finding compound interest. So SI is equal to PTR by 100.
Okay.
5,200 is equal to P into 2 into 6.5 by 100.
13 by 2. 13 by 2
into 100.
13 by 2 into 100. So tell me this goes here.
2 only go there, sir. 10,400. 10,000.
This both will come down.
Yes.
13.
P is equal to 40,000.
100.
Principal is 40,000.
40,000.
Now tell me about.
Amount is equal to 40,000 into 1 plus so 13 by 200 to the power 2. 40,000 into 100, 213 by 200.
Okay.
Squared.
40,000. 45,369.
369 rupees. So yeah, now compound interest?
5,369.
369 minus 14,000. So how much, children? That is
5,369.
5,369 rupees. So last sum, children. Last sum is there. Who want to say? Voluntarily last sum. Raghuram.
Yes, sir.
Find the compound interest at the rate of 5% per annum. At the rate of 5% per annum compound interest for 3 years. For 3 years on a principal, which in 3 years at the same rate of interest yield 1,200 simple interest. Same question. First find principal.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, 1200 is equals to PTR by 100. PTR by 1200 is equal. 1200 is equals to 12,000 divided by 5 into 3. 3 4s are 8,000. 8,000 amount is equals to 8,000 into 1 plus 5 by 100 whole cube. 8,000 is equals to 105 by 100 whole cube.
Can anyone help me?
8,000 is equal amount is equals to 8,000 into 105 into 105 divided by 100 into 100. That's it.
Can anyone help me?
9261.
9261. So
9261.
9261 minus this is 1261 rupees.
1260.
Okay, children, thank you so much. Tomorrow we'll discuss in next video some more sums about this compound interest children, variety of the sums. Okay, thank you so much for your cooperation, children.